everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can log out of your CoinMarketCap application on your mobile device. Signing out or logging out of CoinMarketCap app is super easy. Launch open and get inside your CoinMarketCap application and look for the profile button at the top right-hand corner. After you do that, you will then be able to see an expanded menu where you need to tap on log out. Confirm that you want to log out, but be sure that you remember your credentials. After tapping on the logout button, you will then be able to sign out from CoinMarketCap application. To get access to your account back again, you will need to sign in using your email address and password or any other social networking accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.